Hey guys, this is Mark from mksenglish.com. Welcome back. And today we're going to do a business episode. The topic is describing your company and what it does. One of the most common situations in business is introducing your company to clients, customers, coworkers, or business partners. You need to explain what your company does, what products or services it offers, who your customers are, and what makes your company different. Today, we'll learn useful vocabulary, natural phrases, and example conversations to help you speak confidently about your company in English. Let's begin. First, let's look at some key vocabulary. Word number one, industry. An industry is the type of business your company is in. For example, I work in the education industry. Next, products and services. Companies usually provide products or services, or both. Here are some example sentences. We sell software products. Our company offers consulting services. All right, the next word, headquarters. Yes, there is an S at the end, even for singular. Your headquarters is the main office of a company. Example, our headquarters is located in Tokyo. Okay, the next one is clients and customers. A client is usually a business customer, while a customer is a more general word. For example, most of our clients are small businesses. Another example, we focus on customer satisfaction. Next, mission. A company's mission is its main purpose or goal. For example, our mission is to make education accessible. All right, very good. Now, let's practice our pronunciation with some common business phrases for this topic. Listen and repeat. We specialize in. We specialize in. We provide. We provide. We develop. We develop. And lastly, we work with. We work with. So far, so good? Great. Okay, so now let me give you an example of a simple company introduction. You can write this down. You could shadow this. Whichever way is easiest for you to produce this on your own, go for it. Here we go. I'm Mark, and I work for Bright Tech Solutions. We're a company based in Singapore. We specialize in business management tools for small companies. Our main products include scheduling software and online communication systems. We currently work with clients across Asia, and our goal is to help businesses improve efficiency. So next, let's talk about describing company culture. People often talk about company culture, right? So here are 5 useful expressions to help you with that. Listen and repeat. We have a flexible work environment. Our company values teamwork. We encourage creativity and innovation. We focus strongly on customer service. We have an international team. Great. Now, I'll give you a short presentation. Again, shadow, write it down, whichever feels best for you. This is how I would present my company. Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to introduce our company, mksenglish.com. We are an online education company that specializes in language training and business communication skills. Our headquarters is in Tokyo, but we work with students and companies worldwide. We offer online courses, private lessons, and corporate training programs. Our mission is to help people communicate confidently in English, in professional, and everyday environments. Thank you for listening. How was that? How would you change that to fit you? I'd love to hear it. Well, excellent work for today. You learned useful business English vocabulary and expressions for describing your company, explaining products and services, talking about your clients, and introducing your business professionally. Practice these phrases and try introducing your own company in English. And if you'd like to work a little bit harder on the subject, contact me at mksenglish.com and we'll do our best to improve your speech. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time. Bye.